Okay. Good morning, everyone. So in this class, I am going to explain you the next further concept of related Lotus 1 to 3 software. Okay. In the last class, I explained you about the software, that is electronic spreadsheet. There are three types of electronic spreadsheets are there. First one is the Lotus 1 to 3 program. Second one is the Quadrant Pro, and third one is your Excel. Okay. So in the Excel, totally 2 units are there. Okay, related Excel concept. Okay, before going to the Excel, first we need to know the before the Excel, there are two softwares are iduri. Okay. So what are the two software? Lotus 1 to 3 and Quadrant Pro. So in the last class, I explained about what is the Lotus 1 to 3 program, and so how to open that Lotus 1 to 3 program in your system. Okay, assume that first you need to install that software. Without software, how you can open the software? Okay, in mobile, assume that your mobile phone. Okay, if you want to access the WhatsApp, then you need to install the WhatsApp app. Otherwise, without WhatsApp app, how you can access? WhatsApp, how you can access the mobile? Access the WhatsApp in your mobile. Okay, actually we need to install. Okay, we need to install the software in a system, then only it's possible to access that software. Okay, so like that, the Lotus 1 to 3 is a software. Which kind of a software? That is an electronic spreadsheet that is used to maintain the record in a systematic order, and that's having a predefined calculator. Means some formulas are there. With the help of that formulas, we can calculate the complex problem. Okay. So how open the Lotus 1 to 3 program? Okay. First, we need to install that software in our system. Assume that you are installed the software in a C drive. Okay. In your system, drive irtavri. Okay. You can install in any drive, but I installed, or assume that I installed the software in a C drive. Okay. We need to enter the CD. The name of the software is Lotus. Next, enter. Okay, enter. So after that, next CD this Lotus drive agi. That is also in store again. We require Lotus 1 to 3 software, no? So we need to enter the 1 to 3 here. Then press enter. So after that, one screen is open. One screen is open here. That is your electronic spreadsheet open. Okay, electronic spreadsheet, already you know, it's having how many rows and how many columns? How many rows and how many columns? The electronic spreadsheet, that is a Lotus, which contains the rows 8,192 and columns 256 columns are there in your Lotus 1 to 3 software. Okay. Okay. So in the C drive, assume that you are installed the software, that is a Lotus 1 to 3. Then you need to enter the CD Lotus, then enter the 1 2 3. You need to press enter the number 1 2 3. Then enter the enter button. Enter button is the press madra. After, immediately it opens the one page. That page is called as an electronic spreadsheet. Which one is which the electronic spreadsheet is? The Lotus 1 to 3 electronic spreadsheet is open. So which is contains the rows and columns. So each row having their own name, unique name. Okay. Next, we can easily manage the data in a systematic order. In a electronic spreadsheet, the Lotus electronic spreadsheet, which contains the rows 8,192 rows and columns 256 columns are there. Okay. So in this spreadsheet, which contains the many options at the upper side and at the lower side here. Okay. The electronic spreadsheet, that is a Lotus electronic spreadsheet, which contains the many options. What are the options? First one is the status area. Okay. Ileno one open agirutte nodri spreadsheet. So in that spreadsheet, which contains the many options, or a menus irtavri. Okay, what are the menus? The first one is a status area. So what is a status area? So it displays the current cell address, cell contents and the mode indicator. Okay, so status area is nothing but it displays the current cell address. Okay, so already I explained you when a spreadsheet is open. Okay, when spreadsheet is open, by default one row is active, one row active. So these are the rows and columns. No, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರ okay, so when the software or a spreadsheet is open, a thick rectangular form shape is formed here. Okay, that is called as a current cell. Okay, this is called as a current cell. Means this is ready, this cell is ready, this grid is ready to take a data in it. Okay, this is called as a current cell. Okay, thus each cell having their own name. Okay, so assume that this is a column A, B, C, D, E, F up to S irtavri, total 256. Okay, up to Z, next A1, A2, A3, A4, next B1, B2, B3. So like that totally 256 columns are there, plus rows are 8190, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the name of this cell is, it is in the fourth row at the B column. So B4 is the name of this cell. Getting or not? Okay, so status area means which showing the status, current status of the cell. Okay, so displays the current cell address. Address means what? This, the name. Okay, assume that you entered here, you automatically ಇಲ್ಲಿ enter ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ automatically this cell is deactivated. Okay, so this is the current cell now. This one is the current cell. The name of this or address of this current cell is, it is in the fifth row at the D column. So name of this cell is D5. Getting or not what am I explaining here? Okay, status area display the current cell address, cell content, mode indicator. What the cell is containing in it plus mode indicator. So this is called as a status area. Next, menu area. Okay, menu means what? The above like that A, and you can change the font style, font size. Okay, font color. Okay, you can draw the chart and you can use the formulas. Okay, predefined or inbuilt options are available at the upper side of the. Okay, at the upper side of the spreadsheet, predefined some menus are available. Okay, so menu means, menu area means a different types of menus are available at the upper side and as well as in the right hand side of the bottom. Right hand side plus the left hand side, many options are there, plus one scrolling bar is there. So this is called as a menu area. Okay, next, control panel. What is a control panel? Okay, the status area plus menu area is called as a control panel. Okay, status area means what? This one is a status area, means which showing the current address of the cell, plus menu area means menus. So combination of this one and this one is called as a control panel. Okay, then working area. Working area means what? You are working in a particular area, that area is called as a working area. Okay, so the spreadsheet, this whole spreadsheet is called as a working area. Why? Because you are entering the data, you are managing the data in a systematic order, you are calculating the data. Okay, so totally you are working in the spreadsheet. That spreadsheet area is called as a working area. Okay, message area. What is a message area? The message area shows the error. Error means what? Whatever the तप ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Assume that कुछ तो mistake ये आप. Okay, कुछ तो mistake ये, in that time whatever the error will be occur, that is display in the message area. Okay, so these are the main important options in a Lotus 123 software. Okay, next the Lotus spreadsheet. This spreadsheet is called as a Lotus spreadsheet. So is a tabular screen made up of a number of rows and a column. Okay, actually it is looking like a table, no? Table tara kanatado ilri. So that's why it is means a Lotus spreadsheet is a tabular screen. Actually this one is a screen in the form of table. Table contains many rows and columns, no? So which is also made up of number of rows and a column. How many rows and how many columns are there in a Lotus 123 program? 8192 rows and 256 columns. Okay. Next, cell pointer. Cell pointer. What is a cell pointer? Cell means what? Already I told you. This a particular rectangular shape is called as a cell or a grid. Okay. There are many cells are there. Pointer means what? Pointer means in a pointing in a particular location. That is called as a pointer. But which holds the address of the another cell also. Here, what is a cell pointer? It is a highlighted rectangular area on a spreadsheet. It is a highlighted. Highlighted means what? Highlighting. Highlight agodri means yadda kanodri. That is called as a highlighting. Okay. Take one example here. There are many cells are there in this spreadsheet. Okay. Assume that I entered with the help of mouse or any keyboard. Okay, key in the 9 machinery, I entered in any location. Okay, assume that I enter here. Mouse nail click madri. If suppose I click here, this cell is activate cell. Means this cell is ready to take the information. Means this cell is ready to take a data. Okay, means ಇಲ್ಲಿ enter ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರ you can enter the 1, here enter ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರ here you can enter the 2. Means this is called as a highlighted area. When you click on the particular cell in a spreadsheet, in that time this active cell is highlighting, no? Nodri ಎಲ್ಲ cell ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ highlight ಆಗತದ್ರಿ, which contains the thick border. Thick ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, thick border. Okay, assume that you click on the particular cell. One cell man click ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಅವಾಗ the remaining cells are ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ್ರಿ? activate ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, inactivate. These all the remaining cells are inactivate state, plus the particular cell when you enter, that particular cell is activate. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ದ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಥಿಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ್ರಿ. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹಾ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ highlighted means this is highlighting with the help of thick border. Okay, these are not highlighting, this is highlighting. Okay, this highlighted cell, the highlighted rectangular area, this is a rectangle actually which is look like a square. Okay, square hang ansatadri, but actually hang irutri adu andra that is a rectangular irutri. Cells are in the form of rectangular shape only. Okay, the highlighted rectangular area on a spreadsheet. Plus cell pointer can be moved by using a arrow keys of a keyboard. Okay, so with the help of mouse also or with the help of the keyboard. Okay, keyboard also which contains the arrow keys, upper key, down key, left key and a right key. There are 4 options are there. With the help of that keys also you can move to the another cell. Okay, assume that I am having a keyboard here which contains the many keys. Okay, in that the upper key, lower key and the left key plus a right key options are there. If you want to move the next cell or a left cell or a upper side, then directly you can enter. Nimige en really left key, this is my left. Okay, I want to move to the left cell, then in the keyboard I enter the enter ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ left side arrow key. Okay, or if you want to move to the below of this cell or a below ಹೋಗಬೇಕಂತಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ bottom ಹೋಗಬೇಕಂತಿರ್ತೀರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can enter this arrow key. Okay, Getting or not what am I explaining you? Next, last is for switching new cell, enter value on a spreadsheet. For switching new cell, okay, you can move the next cell by using a keyboard option, or otherwise if you want to switch a new cell, ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, enter a value on a spreadsheet. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ, just you can enter any number. Next enter ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಏನಾಗ್ತರಿ, it comes to below. Next enter the press key, enter sorry ಅಲ್ಲಿ enter ಅಂತ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ, you can directly press that enter key which move to the next cell. If you want to move the next cell, then enter the value on the spreadsheet. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ value enter ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿತ್ರಿ, which automatically move to the next cell. Okay, any doubts guys, getting or not? Okay guys, the next options are active cell and a cell. Already you know what is a cell. Cell is nothing but a particular rectangular area in a spreadsheet, that is called as a cell. Okay, so cell are having their own name, means unique name. Okay, how the unique name you can identify the name of the cell? Already I show you, this one is your spreadsheet, which is contains many rows as well as many columns. Okay, so in the upper side, this is my left now. Okay, this my left, sorry, right, this is my right, this is my left. Okay, at the right side, one name box option is there, or a menu is there, so which shows the name of the each cell. Okay, I am explaining about the cell. What is a cell? Cell means what? A particular rectangular area in a spreadsheet is called as a cell, or that is called as a grid. Okay, so each cell or each grid having their own name. How you can identify the name of the cell? Okay, so assume that this is the A column, B column, C column, D column, first row, second row, fourth, fifth, and so on. Many rows and columns are there. Okay, assume that you entered in any particular location in a spreadsheet. Okay, the one rectangular area is formed, that is called as a cell or a grid. So each grid having their own name. How you can identify the name of the cell means, here I entered here. Okay, I clicked here with the help of mouse. So this is the active cell now. Okay, this is called as an active cell, means that is ready to take a information, means that is ready to take a data. Okay, you can enter here 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, any data, ಏನರ data ಹಾಕಬಹುದ್ರಿ. Okay, so this is called as an active cell. Next, actually this cell in the which column? Which is in the Cth column, no? Okay, which is in the Cth column plus at the third row. Okay, third, C3 is the name of the cell. Okay, this name is displayed in the name box. This name is displayed in the name box. Okay, this is available in a electronic spreadsheet. Okay, this option is available in a electronic spreadsheet. Assume that if you enter the here, ಇದು enter ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ assume that you entered here, automatically this is inactivate. Activate ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ, inactivate ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದ್ರಿ. This one is thick border ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ. This is called as a now active cell, which is in the B column at the fourth row. So B4 is also automatically displayed here. So B4 is the name of this currently activate cell. Getting or not? Very easy other. There is no tough in this subject, especially in Excel. Okay, any doubts guys? Akash, so this is the information about the Lotus 123 software spreadsheet, electronic spreadsheet. Okay, now the first spreadsheet is completed. Now in the next class I come up with a QuadratPro spreadsheet. After that your main syllabus means the first unit and second unit allinda start ಆಗ್ತದೆ, that is spreadsheet. Okay, ಆ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ಶೀಟ್ ಒಳಗ ಏನೇನದ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಒಳಗ. ಓಕೆ okay students, so in this class I completed the related information about the Lotus 1 to 3. okay, now this class is enough. In the next class I come up with the Quarter Pro software. okay, we learn about the software. ha re mugitri class ina 10 minutes ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದರ ಈಗ. okay, no doubt and okay, no doubts la. okay, no doubts andra chalo aitri. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೇ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಕೇಳತ್ ಬರ್ರಿ. okay, so this is your end of the class now. okay, thank you guys, thank you.